All right, let's have a good trading day. Here comes the bell in 10 seconds, looking at FLYX. I think this one might give an opportunity at least to 650s. So we take a test trade here. Okay, that was the plan. Dip right there under 90, looking for that move higher. But that's okay. So now it's coming way lower. Might still do it though. There it is. Wow, very nice. 53. Need to be a little more patient here. Good run to 70s. I wasn't able to capture it. I got a good fill though down there. Dang it. Getting caught in the pullbacks. Sheesh. Okay, Maxwell's. Yeah, so my timing was completely off on this one. Oh, that's a shame because it was so good. This is tricky. So it's coming up here again, likely. I gave a bad rejection. We'll see. Hmm. Wow. Really wants to prove itself, huh? All right, we got momentum. This area again. Hmm. So I give up on it right when it's turning around. I knew what it's going to do, but I'm losing money on it. So now here we go. You see a major dip down here. Short sale restriction looks like. Hmm. So MVBE. Yeah, it's too pricey. So normally I will get this kind of stock. But I got that dip, so that's the dip I gotta hold. And then this one, it opened. That was good. What I should have not waited for the three strong candles. Yeah. Just go for it. That was a lot of selling on JTAI. I wish this one was gonna go. $8. $8. Yes. Maybe a little early on this. We'll see. A little high also. Hmm. I may get caught here too. We'll see. Nice. 80. Nice, let's go. You can see this thing go to VWAP, which is going to be 82. Stop is going to be around flat. We can see this at VWAP. Cold 77. Nice. Yeah, I gotta go flat. Going not flat there. Looking for that move to 82. All right, here we go. This is going to open 50-11. Looking for a dip. Hmm. Yeah, so it's going to open 55-11. Hold 65. Nice. Hope we get it here. We're gonna need some volume. Come on. I would love to see some volume here. Nice. Come on. Volume? No. Okay. No volume. Okay. Looks like JTI. JTAI is gonna go here. Right as soon as this is gonna open. But we'll see. We'll trade this one here. 55-11. Looking for a dip. UAVS. Maybe getting cooked here, but this could really turn around back to 8. Turn around back to 8. Through 8. Through 8. I'm waiting for this through 8. This could still be very good here. Might be getting cooked here, but this next candle. 80, 90. 90. Eight. Taking it out there. I held for way too long on that. But the momentum is there, you know. It just has strong volume, so we'll try it again. Yeah, there's a fall down. Okay, so then we have this one here. Oh my gosh. What kind of, wait, what did I actually get filled at? Hold on a second. Hold on a second. Let me see if I can capture this move now. Well, the thing is, if JTAI is sympathy, this one came halting down. I don't know if it's gonna do it. It's very good though. It's a nice trending higher. So dip 76. Any dip down there. 76 dip was crucial. Here, let's see. The volume. The volume, I don't know. We'll see. Okay, here we go. Go for the break of VWAP on this next candle here. I'll take a 92, full 90s. Let's go. Break of VWAP. Nice. Break of VWAP. VWAP is 82. Can we get to 82? My stop is flat, 90. 79. Oh. Stop me out there. It looked like it was coming down to 90. Okay, looks like we got that breakout. I'm just gonna give a pullback. No pullback. Waiting. Yep. Four, 8. Nice. Okay, so this is a 2-cent kind of stock. I already realized that. Okay. This is a 2-cent kind of stock, so I'm gonna take bigger size. Just grab the 2 cents. Hmm.
JTAI. UAVS. FLYX. JTAI. Relevancy. FLYX less than 10 seconds. ACON. UAVS.
Okay.
JTAI.
Is there a dip here? This is incredibly risky and choppy after the hold down. I wasn't able to get much on it. Yeah, I think the attention is moving over to this one. Let's see.
SXTC. ACON amazing and left on me. SXTC.
Yeah, no thanks. Okay, back on this. See if we can get a move here. Actually, ACON also looks good.
TZ.
890. It's resuming in 30 seconds. So let's see. 880, resuming lower. Good volume. So maybe we're looking for a dip in the 50s. 50 was there. Can I get another try at 50s? Hmm. Hard to say. Let's watch this next candle coming up. We'll take this 69. Nice. Through it, through it, through it, through it, through it, through it. Take it out 85. It's moving slower. It's not as fast, but it's okay. Moving volume there slow. Oh, dang it. Volume ain't there yet, all the way.
Yes, that's easy. And margin. Okay, dollars. UPTZ. LLC.
If it gets over 9, that would be good. Low, this is 54.
Yes. Yes, that's easy. And margin.
Micro float.
Okay, dollars. UPTZ. LLC. UAVS. USP1.
Yes, that's easy.
And margin. UTAI. UPTZ.
UAVS, higher float, 40 million, but I love this price range.
And no violence.
The range is 70, it's like 5-cent range, so we gotta take the 1 cent. So we may hit $2 on this. Why not? Slow grind, right?
SBOT. NTEN. UAVS. MSTVS. And margin. SXPC.
I'll take 78.
NTEN. SBOT.
Quick dip. Continue to grind up. Come on.
SXTC.
It was like a new candle micro there. Don't go to 78. Come on.
SBOT.
Looks like it's coming down.
MSTVS.
76. I'll take 76. Big support. 76. Ladder support. Nice. 78.
SBOT.
It's a big float, so we gotta be patient with it. 79. If it's clean, it'll go to 82 here. Selling half.
SXPC.
Okay, selling that. This 1 minute had no volume there. Okay, 50 bucks there, 50 bucks there. Down only 66. Such a shame, JTAI. No, not JTAI. FLYX? Yeah, FLYX. What a shame. Okay. Can we get through 9? Wow, powerful there.
JTAI. FLYX.
No, 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 no. That cooked me. That's wild. Back to the lows. So down 200 again. So that was a crazy, a minute 20 out at 9:20 out at 9. Sheesh. So that's 120 loss right there. Gee, that's crazy. Like, you broke it, you know? Just hold. Now it's holding down. What? That's insane, dude. So, what's gonna be the thing here? Is it even gonna dip? 22? 20 is just holding. No, I gotta get out. There you go. 9. 8 at 8. Much better price. Much better entry. Now can I get a move? Bull flag. Give me a sweet bull flag here. Give me a sweet bull flag. If it retests 7, I gotta get out. But give me a sweet bull flag here. 20s, 23, 26. Also I'll have right here. I'll sell the other half right over there. Wow, okay, good. So, got some of that back. I want to squeeze, but it's, you know, can I get a squeeze? Can a brother get a squeeze? Let's see, let's try again. So there is a fair value gap right formed right there. The low of this is 707, 707. We might hit that on their 707, 690. So there might be a dip down there for the fair value gap. So we'll take it 7 or under 7. Oh, watching. Break 7. Nice. 799. This volatility is nuts, bro. That volatility was nuts. Below that 792. Oh man, I wish I would have sweeped some volume, liquidity grab, and then boom. Maybe in the next candle. It's holding really well. I'm gonna keep this real tight here. I guess it's going to do it, yeah. So, or maybe not. I give it an attempt anyway. So, took the right trades. We'll see. We'll see what it wants to do. But good in cutting down that loss. That was a crazy loss. Okay, so this one needs to close above 45. If you can close above 45, probably is pretty good. So 18, it's 15 seconds here. If it doesn't close above 45, we're not, yeah, it's probably not going to do it. So it almost baited me there. Well, not almost. I don't think I was eager to take that trade unless it closed above 45. So we already tested that fair value gap many times. We're on a 5-minute inverted red fair value gap. What do you call it? Yeah. Bearish fair value gap. It's getting rejected. All right, we'll just be patient. Okay, so we got this trade here. So beautiful fair value gap. We filled it up. This dip down there to low 80s was good. Can we build this momentum? It's a red candle. Let's see. OYX is failing. So here we go. Fair value gap right at under 81. DWAP is 81, yeah. Ooh, nice. This next 5 minutes coming up here. Next 5 minutes. It's got a momentum. 14 seconds. Less than 10. Wow. Fantastic move, but it took no part of it yet. Yeah, that was a great move, huh? I was waiting for it to hit a little lower, but that's always my big mistakes, waiting for it to come a little lower when it's not going to go there. 82 was a good spot. We'll wait. It rejected that area. Candle turned red. It's gonna clear that fair value gap coming down. Could be good here. Tight stop. Yep. Tight stop. Shoot. Tight stop. I liked it because I thought it was going to retrace. Low volume pullback, but this one is coming down. All right. Well. We'll be patient. Okay. Interesting here. Can we get a push back to the highs? Let's see it. Tight stop. 80. It's taking it out 80. Beautiful. Keeps going. Let's sights up here. Dip below 86. Could be good. 86.6. Volume here. Decent volume. What's the float again? 4 million float.
JTAI.
I mean, to get above 89.60. Nice. Got right above that. If we get above that, man, it's game on.
JTAI.
Gonna wait for this bull flag. Going to wait for this bull flag.
JTAI.
That's good.
DDD.
Hmm. I got caught there. Let's do it. No. Wait, how am I losing so much? That's crazy. Watching here.
DDD.
Ooh, 6. Need this push. I need this green here. Push, 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 push.
JTAI.
Dang it, bro. I'm pushing. Okay, maybe we get a dip under 89. Hmm.
Information.
$88, $89, back over 90. Okay, just taking 1 cent there on that dip. Let's try it again. Ah, back to flat on that. Man, that candle did not finish above. That 5-minute candle did not get above 89. Okay, I guess we're flat on this. Beautiful dip at 86. I'm waiting for it. There you go. Come, 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 come. 86. Is it even going to approach it? Let's see. Hmm. There we go. A little lower. Bro, this is that's such BS, man. This might be baiting here. It clears that.
JTAI.
Hmm. Take some big size here. Feel confident on this going to $1.
JTAI.
That's good. Brother, that's crazy. 13 seconds there. Hmm. See this dip? Watch this dip. Watch this dip. Watch this dip. Come on, dip, brother, dip.
JTAI.
I'm waiting for a dip, but it doesn't want to do it. D5. Wow.
JTAI.
Hmm. So it could go now, or a dip below 95 could also be really good. So there are two ways to do this.
JTAI.
Hmm. I want to see a dip, man. A dip. Give me a dip to 95. I'll take that. 96, 97. Dip a little lower. Watching here. Watch this. Watch this setup. This is going to be huge here. Watching. This is going to be huge. Careful. This is going to be huge here. Oh. Almost. Ah, there it is. Huh. Man, almost. It got me there. It got me there for a bit. Watching here.
JTAI.
This is it. 77.9, 80. Come on. Give me that push to 90. Now, coming up here. Coming up here, 90, 90, 90. Blast off, blast off, blast off, blast off. Come on. Come on. Nothing, bro. Okay. Give me a dip then. Below 95. Oh, that's a shame. Watching this next candle. It wants to tap $1. It wants to tap $1. It wants to tap $1. There we go. 80. 80. 80. Ah, dang. Giving it a few tries there. I'm stacking so many fees here. I'm gonna wait it dip to 94. Watching this dip to 94, 93 area. Wow, no chance. No chance. No chance for a little dip, huh? So what I'm looking for is a dip here. 94. Quick reclaim into $1. Grab some liquidity under 94. I'm risking 1 cent, so I'm risking 80 bucks here. So it's all about the timing. Early in the day, the timing was off with FLYX, but the timing here needs to be a little more precise. So it looks like we might grab liquidity here, 94. Break 95, break 95. A little lower. Looking for it a little lower, man. Ah, that was good. 95 was okay. So here we go. I'm gonna get in here. This next candle needs to go now. Need to go now, brother. Now is now. Nope. Okay, 94 then. There you go, 93. Beautiful. Dang it. All right. Well, 92. Dang it. You got very close there, so. 91. 91. No. Okay. Good move here. Turn a lot through this area. Had some good, I had some good, I follow my process. I really did. Got on some dips, got on some potential candles that could push through the highs, like here. Got a dip, also didn't work. Let's grab this dip right here, 89, 89, 89. So hopefully this is risky here, but 89 was a good spot. Dang it. Retest 89. Retest 89. Come on. Could be bear flagging. No. Ah, yeesh. Yeah. 89. Hesitated on that, looking for 88. Just got to do it. So we got a rejection there. Wonder if it's going to hold 90. It's just going with more volume here. Oh, forming a red fair value gap. Now we're coming with more volume. Yeah. Maybe a little lower. Yeah. Back to 89, 88. Sheesh. 87, 86. Yeah, we might have to wait on this one for another attempt. Probably at 12:30. Okay, this is unbelievable here. So we are going to see this move much sooner than I thought. But with lower volume, so this might be baiting. So I'm gonna have to be careful here. Trying to get in on dip. Dang. We're getting in the micro here. That seems like good enough. 90. Come on, just blast through $1. Beautiful there. Okay. Big 9K. So we hit $1 there. Nice. Okay. Reality is we got the trade that we wanted. Now, can this carry through $1? Let's size down actually. So the first dip under 1 might be good. Let's see. One. One's good enough, bro. One seems like it's good enough here. There's a huge battle there. Nope. 99 dip. Come on. Yes. That was good. Nah. Okay. 99 dip. I'll take 98. Beautiful. Oh, that's crazy. Oh, what the volatility, man. That's insane. Wow. Shook me out. Maybe I should have taken it out 01. I'm going for a bigger move, you know? So I'm going for that big move, so I can't really take it out 01. So if it really wants to go, so here we go. Let's get a bull flag going here. Yes. Push, 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 push. Nothing. Yeah, that's what I'm saying. So if I take it out, then I miss this. So let's see. So that one time I took it out. Gotta stick to the rules, bro.
JTAI.
We may hit 110 pretty soon.
JTAI. AST.
3. A lot of sellers there. 3, 2. I'll take 2. 2's good. Two is okay, it seems like. Nah, two's not okay. 1. Yeah, okay. Oh, I'm back to flat. So we're looking for a move, a reclaim, perhaps.
JTAI. ACON.
Oof, I almost took a 98. Okay, I'll stop. Bro, what? Let's see this. This seems to be baiting here. Quite possibly baiting here. If we see a dip, we may go to 10 here. Dip, and go. We gotta see the dip, man. Not a chance. Let's go. Boom, 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 bro. It's a big seller there. There's a big seller there. Maybe a hidden seller. Might be getting bought up there. Yes. Now it's time to go. Massive, massive, massive. Massive trade here. Ooh, nothing. So we'll probably take, if this is the case, probably take 5K here and try to go for that move. At least a 2-cent move. Yeah, there it is. Watching that. Wow. It did not go to 15. Maybe there's a dip here. Dip. Hmm. Quick dip at 5. Wonder if this is gonna continue here. We'll take it. Probably not. Four, three, three. I'm getting to eat a big loss here if it goes to 1. Yeah, this is gonna go 1. Ah, that's a shame. One. Dude, I'm so awful here. Rejection there. Ah, that's a shame. Okay. 5 was the spot. Took 3. Didn't work too well. Got out 2. Ah, man. This could be interesting here. I got in pretty high there. Not happy about that one. Get it out on the ask, thankfully. Nice. $7.99. I don't think I got in $7.99 though. Yeah, there's no way I got in $7.99 on that. Oh well. Let's see if we can get a dip here. I'm not measuring this stock very well. It wants to go, but I'm getting in at the not so good places. 4, it's a great 1. I might get cooked here, but if it holds 4, yeah, I'm gonna get cooked here. I'm taking it out. That's a strong sell. Man, this is like my bread and butter, and I'm struggling with it. Good dip there. Back to flat on this stock.
NXT may res in 10 seconds. LTCD. That's XTC. That's XTC. And XTC. That's XTC. SMT. JTAI. JTAI. SPC. SG. Meteorology. FLYX. Industrial. RDTI. SG. FLYX. SG. FLYX. SG. SG. WRBY. FLYX. JTAI.
That's easy.
Investigating.
That's easy.
Investigating. Even in life. Impersonating.
That's easy.
Investigating.
That's easy.
Investigating. Investigating. What are the mind? Investigating. Representing. What are the mind? Begin. Begin.
That's easy.
Representing. CCCs. SRT.
All right, so I'm going to have to change the way I trade. Today was a fantastic day, and I missed a lot of the moves. And days like these are the ones where I need to capitalize and have a solid green day. And how do I do that? Well, I can't do that when the volatility is too high and perfect 100% perfect accuracy is required, and that's basically impossible, especially on thinkorswim with market orders and uh and yeah, and sometimes this is delayed, right? So my approach going forward is going to be holding the trades for longer and managing that position. So there I gave an example of me getting in at 101, then I get in again at 1 because we are in this fair value gap area. So I want this fair value gap to hold. My stop is going to be right there, 99.60. So interesting area, just trying small size, trying to see how well I can do this with smaller size and then scale much better later. So I mean today I've took like 50 something trades and I can't even I can't have any, I don't have anything to show for it, you know. So a lot of these moves, if I'm not in them already, then it's really hard to tell. It's really hard to, what is this, 92? Yeah, if I'm not in this area, then it's going to be impossible for me to, not impossible, but much more difficult to get a trade up over here, right? So we did get a few trades. We got up to $100, but man, imagine if I'm right here, you know? I'll be writing it, I'll be adding, I'll be winding in, winding out. Anyway, so we're taking this trade here. We have a stop right there, 99.6. So the stop is going to be, it's a mental stop. I don't have a stop order running. So, and we'll see how well this is going to hold. So far it's holding well. I like the volume, lower volume under red candles. We might get a dip under it. So I'm splitting my orders, right? So I'm in 400 shares. I'm splitting it. I'm probably going to get a dip under 90, 98. So I'm going to have to be careful there. If I want to add some more, or I'm gonna take it out. So we'll see. We have a double bottom there, so it's gonna make a newer low, a higher low. This fair value gap, is it going to close? It might actually hold one. Might take a dip on 98, right? In 98 and keep it really tight. See if it's gonna work. If you see if it's gonna bounce. So I'm going for the reclaim. I'm betting that this stock, although it's already made a move to $1, it's a $1, so it's a riskier trade. So if it's gonna break one, we might take it out, we might keep it, I don't know. So this is part of the development to see what exactly the plan is going to be. So I got rid of the ladder. I'm just gonna have level 2 and tape, and just look at the charts more. Not look so much at the level 2, because that level 2 can, it's gotten me stopped out so many times, you know, so many times. So just looking at the chart is going to be better. So I'm just looking at the chart, not looking at the taper level 2, mainly chart. So seems to be holding there. So we got some red there. We got a little spike down to 99, it seems like. Let me add this thing here. So spike down to 99, you know. Yesterday, or was 2 days ago, on the spike down to 99, I got stopped out. You know, now this time, I'm not gonna get stopped out. I want to see a massive trade here. Okay, here we go. It's coming down actually. 99. How well this is going to hold 99? Volume is increasing. This is probably not going to hold very well. Let's see. We made a new low there. So 98. The average is going to be 101. The average is right there. So yeah, I'm gonna get stopped out here. Okay, so that's okay. Worth the shot. Fair value got broken. This candle closed under it. Looking for a quicker reclaim. All right. Anyway, so that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna think about these trades much differently. Today at the open, I knew what FLYX was going to do. I knew it wanted to grab liquidity around 70s. I tried it here and here and I failed, and eventually does it all the way through here. So how can this be happening, you know? So I'm gonna rethink the way I trade. So I'm gonna spend the rest of the day thinking about it. So hopefully you're in this for this journey, because hyper scalping really fast, it works it works in certain stocks, and the stocks that do work on, they don't come around very often. So all right, pausing it here. 35. There's a level there, 35. Kind of coming in here pretty late. 35, 33. 30, 40, 40 or 30. So let's see. Let's see. It's red. 30s. 20s. It kept coming down. So I don't have a level down here. The 20s was a great level. Interesting level there. Is there a way to, let me pause this. All right, we're gonna finish here. So 91 on the day, negative 91. So man, today has been a pretty interesting day. I mean, I've been talking to other traders in the community, and I think I'm gonna change the style that I'm trading with. So many good moves, and I'm not able to capture them as much as I would like. Struggled throughout the day and kind of got green out for a second. But man, 25 in fees, that's kind of too much. So let's take a look at FLYX at the beginning of the day. So this one here, I knew what it was going to do, and I didn't. My timing was off. So anyway, I'm just gonna try to keep it short. Let me see if I can fit this in the screen. I don't know if I can. Yeah. Anyway, a lot of trades. These two trades right here, trying to capture this move. So this, I'm just churning here when I know it's going to bounce, and I actually missed the bounce. The bounce was a little higher. Trying to get the next candle, get out on that, but I get back in here again on the low very quickly. Out 27. The stock ends up going to 70. Anyways, and I just end up losing on this thing. I was not able to capture any of these moves. So losing 21 right there. Losing another one right there. Flat. So if I'm not in this move from the beginning, it's going to be very difficult to capture any moves as a scalper. The fills are completely off. Everything just seems completely off. Here I got a really great trade here. Finally a good trade. In at 7, out 27 and 35. The only redeemable trade. Anyway, I was green on JTAI, but again, I am transforming the way I'm trading. So I'm a profitable trader, and I want to take this to the next level. In order to take this to the next level, I need to really reconsider exactly what I'm doing in my process, because in order to capture the bigger moves, I need to be in better places. So I need to recognize areas of interest, maybe an underlying less. I added the ladder. The ladder didn't work. I'm just gonna remove that. I kind of consolidated my level 2, try to make it more simpler, and also consolidated my time in sales. So we're gonna see tomorrow. We're still green on the month after fees and commissions up only 36. That's all. That's okay. A lot high fees today. High fees already over $50 in fees. That's kind of too much, huh? Yeah. So let's see year to date. Yeah, 55 in fees. No, we can't really accumulate. This is too many fees. Too many fees and commissions. Okay. Anyway, so we're gonna work on it for the rest of the month. I'm gonna trade a different style. So what you're gonna see in the next few days is a different style. I'm gonna be trying different things. And gonna try to make the best of it. All right, see you later.